Hi guys, in another video by Tech Pro, Huawei is the latest of the major smartphone makers to unveil its flagship phones for 2018, showing off the P20 and the P20 Pro at a special launch event in Paris. For a number of years, Huawei has focused on cameras and camera quality as the main selling points of its phones, and it was no different today. The Huawei P20 Pro is the first handset to feature 3 lenses and 3x optical zoom on its rear camera, combining an 8-megapixel telephoto lens, a 20-megapixel monochrome lens, and a 40-megapixel main lens. For the photography geeks, the P20 Pro boasts a large 1/1.7-inch image sensor and large 2-microcm pixel size, in theory letting in more light with less distortion, and outstripping every other smartphone camera on the market, in terms of those key specs at least. Ultimately, image quality depends on a host of factors besides the lens spec, but the photos Huawei showed off at its demos today certainly looked impressive. The P20 Pro camera has also been classed the best smartphone camera on the market right now by independent evaluator Mark, if you're keeping track of their scores. The P20 Pro comes with a 6.1-inch, 2240x1080 pixel display, while the P20 drops that down to a 5.8-inch display with the same resolution. The P20 makes do with just 2 lenses on its rear camera, a 12-megapixel color lens and a 20-megapixel monochrome one, but it's still capable of taking some premium, professional-looking photos. There are other differences. The top-end P20 Pro also swaps LCD for an OLED panel, which should mean better contrast and more vibrant colors for the display, and comes with an IP67 dust and waterproof rating that the P20 doesn't have. The P20 Pro features 6GB of RAM, while the P20 sticks with 4GB. Huawei has yet to confirm worldwide pricing and availability on its new phones, but has revealed the handsets will go on sale in Europe from April for €649 for the P20 and €899 for the P20 Pro. Both phones are available in graphite black, midnight blue, pink gold, and twilight colors. Thanks for watching everybody. Don't forget like and subscribe, share if you liked.